what a day it has been. We have been on the road all day getting content for the channel. We had our first stop at Black River, then we went to White House, then to Savannah Lamar, and we're finally here in Negril. Negril has been a place that we have come to a lot of times. It is one of my favorite spots because when I talk about affordable hotels for overnight stay or a little bit longer, Negril is the place to be. Of course, I believe that Negril has the best beaches as well. It is a long drive from home, but I absolutely love it here. So right here we are at Travelers Beach Resort. This is a property that I have actually been to over 10 years ago when I was a child, and I remember being so fascinated and taken aback by how beautiful the place was. That was a long time ago, and you know, by being exposed to properties and certain standards, I was curious to see if the property had maintained that standard that I remember from over 10 years ago. So we're back again, and we booked a superior room. I think that's what it's called. It's a superior room, and I booked the room on Expedia. It was $117 per night with taxes. However, I didn't pay the full amount because I had Expedia points. So this video is to show you exactly what the room looks like. Of course, I'm gonna tell you what I like particularly or don't like about the room. I am not an interior designer, I'm not a travel expert or anything like that, but I just give my personal opinions where it comes on to the comfort, decor, and safety of the rooms and so forth. So please look out for a property tour of this hotel as well. So Travelers Beach Resort, we're also gonna do a full property tour so that you can see exactly what the property looks like and what it has to offer. So let me just jump right into it. Here is our balcony, typical balcony, nothing special or particular about here. Pretty open, but it still provides a little privacy due to the vegetation that is in front of me. So we have trees and banana trees, and I think there's a mango tree there, so it still gives a little bit of privacy when you're sitting out here. It is not all that naked. Nice and homey as well. So we are in room 20. Room 20 is not that far from the front desk. We just got here, so we didn't actually go to the pool area or anywhere else yet, but this is the room. So the first thing I said when I walked in was wow. To be honest, I wasn't expecting anything great in my mind, considering that this is a traditional, one of the traditional, you know, long time hotels. I probably thought that maybe the property did kind of run down a little bit or so, but trust me, when I came in, I really love how clean the place was. It just smelled clean and fresh. I didn't smell any musty smell. The furniture don't look extremely old and break down. I just like the first glimpse of the room. So we got 2 queen beds. The bedding looks very crisp and clean. I can't see any visible soil on the bed any at all. We have adequate windows for natural lighting. We have a table here that we can place our stuff. They gave us a coffee maker along with some condiments and cups that we can make hot beverages. I am always a fan of storage. Storage and space is a must because you come in with more than one person's. If it's even for one night, you want somewhere that you can put your things. For us who are content creators, we need the space. We need the space to put our gadgets and our computers on, because trips like these for us is really 80% work and 20% play. So we have a nice table here, and I think this is just storage under here. I probably think that maybe before they used to have a smaller fridge under here. I don't know, maybe. And in front of me here, we have a coffee table. Nothing special, but you know, a coffee table. We have the bedside lights, and We get an alarm clock and a little space under here as well, and they were also kind enough to give us a candle. Other than that, we have a television here, probably a 30-something inch television, and we have a refrigerator here. Always nice to have a refrigerator when you go to a hotel, because sometimes you might purchase food or you purchase drinks or something, at least you can rest them inside of there more than having to throw them away or so. So I always appreciate when a property gives us a refrigerator, or even a bonus giving us a microwave. I always love that. A little wall art here, and we have, I would say, adequate amount of power outlets as well. But these are things that we tend to overlook, but they are very important whenever you go to a property. This way takes us to the closet and the bathroom. So first I'm going to show you the closet area. So first here we have additional storage space here to put your items. We have shelves here, and we have a bar here as well. We have drawers, so for persons who would be staying here for an extended period of time, who would want to pack out your clothes inside of the drawers for ease of, changing and so forth, you can do that. I normally just take my clothes I just live outside of my suitcase whenever I go anywhere. I don't really pack out my clothes in drawers. I would probably hang them up. And we have a kind of a walk-in closet here, and they gave us hangers. We also have a safe for your valuables, and an ironing board. Again, it's things that we take for granted. It's things that we think that naturally a property will give you, but I've gone to places where I had to ask for an iron because none was provided. So far I am pleased. I am very pleased so far. The bathroom I really love. Of course, this is not a situation where we would be fortunate enough to get one where the toilet is private from the shower. That is normally always super convenient when you're going as a family or you're going with friends. At least, if one person is using the toilet, if it is private, then it would be easier for another person to be using the shower or the wash and basin. But it's a standard bathroom, and it's all family here, so no issues. So standard toilet, and they have a modern wash hand basin here, very clean. Like, you can see that they're on top of their game with cleanliness. I love the full-size mirror in front of me, and they give us some toiletries, shampoo and shower gel, and they give us tissue. I always appreciate when a property gives you tissue that is unopened. Sometimes you go to properties and you see where, like, the guests before you, like, say they use tissue, and like the guests didn't use off the tissue. So you have the half roll and they still have the half roll there. I am always just kind of like, about that. But here just feel like brand new. I just feel like, yeah. And they also give us bar soap and towels, which they decorated for us. And this is the shower over here. It looks like they usually give the dispensers for the shampoo, but they look like they discontinued that. That is why they give us the shampoo and the shower gel there. Have a nice something here. Bear with me, I'm super tired. The pipe. Yeah, please correct me in the comment section. It's on my tongue, but I can't. I just don't know why it's not coming to me. I appreciate the size of the shower as well. Doesn't really gives room for privacy. Then again, if you're coming to a hotel with other persons, I don't think why you would need that much privacy anyway. So I am completely pleased with the bathroom, and there's a sign there urging us to pretty much conserve. So they're instructing us to leave whatever towels that we want to be changed on the ground, and if not, we hang them up. Another thing that I was completely sold on is the fact that we have a back door. How nice. So they were kind enough to give us a back door, and we have a back entrance where we can walk here and go to the pool and to other areas on the compound. So it just feels like a little mini apartment. I am completely sold. I'm smelling a little paint, so you can see where they are doing a little sprucing up. I always appreciate maintenance. When a property maintains their standard, they might not have the most modern style of building or whatever, but you see, if they maintain your paint when you need to paint and fix what needs to be fixed, trust me, you will keep up that standard. And that is what I appreciate about this property so far. I haven't been anywhere else but the lobby and the room, and I am completely pleased. So this property is on Norman Manley Boulevard. It's one of the first few hotels that you will see along the 7 Mile Beach. So if you plan on coming to this side and you're wondering where to go, you can always choose here. As for room 20, I am completely sold. I love it so far. My family is comfortable, and yeah, I hope anyone who had planned to come here, this video helps you to make a decision. I normally give rooms a rating when I'm through with the reviews, and I would say for the price and the use and everything for the room, I would say I would give this room a solid 9.5 out of 10. Yeah, I would give them a 9.5 out of 10. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you will subscribe, those who haven't done so before. Fabian would say that subscription is free. So all you have to do is hit the subscribe button. We are trying our best to give you the best content that we can. Remember to leave comments in the comment section to give us ideas of properties that you would want us to visit. Please do not forget to look out for the property tour. So Travelers Beach Resort full property tour, we're going to give you an extensive property tour here. So along with the room tour, you can better decide if it is that you want to come here or not. So thanks again for watching, and we appreciate the support so far. Without you, our viewers and our subscribers, you take the time out every day out of your busy schedule and your important lives to sit and watch our videos. It means so much to us, because without you, our channel wouldn't be what it is today. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye. Peace.
Remember to subscribe and like and share.
You heard that.
Love you. Peace.
Okay, this is Antonique, and she is a part of the Jamaica Walk by crew. So she has been on the road with us like a soldier since morning, and she has been so helpful in just being a good sport with us today. So do you have anything that you want to say to our viewers? Anything else? Anything else that you want to say to them? What do you think about the room? It's amazing. What do you like about it?
I like that it has 2 queen beds.
Mm-hmm.
I like the big bed because I love to draw, and I love that it has a TV and AC.
Okay. All right. So you think you'll be comfortable here tonight? Yeah, I think so too. So, well, she said it. So, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it. Look out for the full property tour, and look out for the other videos that we did today, which is Black River, White House and Savannah Lamar. Listen guys, Savannah Lamar is the video that you need to tune into. This was actually my first time being in Savannah Lamar, and it was a vibe. I am sold on that tone. It was a whole vibe. So as we said before, leave a comment, talk to us, suggest, and remember also that we take small donations. It doesn't matter how small. There is a link in our description, linking you to our PayPal, just to help with the growth of the channel, because you know, traveling to these places with gas and food and all of this, it is not easy. The walking for hours, it is not easy to bring you the content that we bring you, utilizing the equipment that we use to bring you, and we are looking forward to procuring even more equipment that we can give you a better, greater variety of videos, just to keep you interested, because I think that people deserve the best and we want to give you the best. So no matter how small it is, you can donate if you feel like you want to, and any donation is greatly appreciated. So I'm not going to talk you out anymore. Thank you so much. I am tired. I am going to take a nap. And we are signing out from Travelers Beach Resort.